Sanibonani ninjani? Kusewuyena uThandeka Okabekwa ovela kwiKabekwa Mombo Publications. Namhlanje ke umsebenzi wethu ke ukuzohluza inkondlo esihloko sithi Tshiyozani Matshwele. Right. So today we are analyzing a poem called Tshiyozani Matshwele, which translates as Tweet Little Chicks. All right. So ngaphandle ke kokuchitha isikhathi sizoqhubeka nomsebenzi. Right. Sizobheka isihloko sethu esisenkondlo ethi Tshiyozani Matshwele. So we will look at the title. Isihloko is the title, as you all know. And we will look at the synonyms for certain words that are found in isihloko. Right. Okay. Just to unpick isihloko nicely, let us start by unpacking igama itshwele. Ake siqale ngokuchaza igama itshwele. Itshwele linomqondo ofana. It has a synonym and it's a word that is in singular, and it is ichwane. So we know amatshwele to be the matshwanes. So the amatshwele will then be the very same noun but in plural, hence the prefix is now ama. And a number of them will be amachwane. Right. Now let's talk about lesi sihloko. Lesikhulume ngalesi sihloko. Isihloko that we have is ingumyalelo, meaning it is an order, it is a command to amachwane or amatshwele. So sibhekiswe, it is directed to amachwane noma amatshwele, noma amachwane, which are the chicks. All right. So ukujiyoza ke, the actual act, it's an action word, ukujiyoza, which means to tweet, all right, or to chip. Umsindo ke lo, this is a sound that is made by amachwane in this context, or amatshwele in this poem. But ukujiyoza kwenziwa izilwane ezifana nezinyoni ezivela emndenini wezinyoni, that it comes from the family of the birds. So izilwane ezinamaphiko. All right. So sizohamba ke bese siyobheka ke inkondlo yethu ethi Tshiyozani Matshwele. Right. Now that we know what Tshiyozani means, okay, and the knee that we see on Tshiyozani, it means the poet is talking to a number of chicks, not just the one, because ni as a subject concord, it means you all right. So it has abantu abasuke bebaningi, right, that are being addressed, and the people, or maybe the animals that are being addressed here, imbongi khuluma nezilwane, right? So imbongi is talking to the animals, all right? And because we know ukuthi amachwane noma amatshwele are animals, they are baby chickens, all right? Inkondlo ke le ebhalwe uMargaret Kahlongwane, isibongo. So yiyo ke leyayana, yiwo amatshwele lawayana that you see, enza umsebenzi wokujiyoza. As you can see, the chio, 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 which is the chipping or the tweeting sound that is made by the chicks or the baby chickens. All right. I'm not going to waste time reading inkondlo, because you have read inkondlo at Skoleni. So we're just going to go straight into analyze inkondlo noma ukuyihluza. But before we do that, ungakhohlwa ukuthi ke yonke lemisebenzi emihle kangaka ithathwe noma icashunwe, it's taken from this book. All right, so all the analysis are coming from this book ebizwa ngokuthi Izinsiza Zemibhalo ibanga leshumi nambili. And remember ukuthi this one is the 4th edition, so this one is available on our website, which is www.kabekwamombo.co.za. And also, if you want to purchase or if you want to send us an email, you can send it through publications at kabekwamombo.co.za. And Le video kuyatholakala ke ku-YouTube. So this is our YouTube handle. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like so that nathi soba motivated. So we can be motivated to just bring you more and more and more and more work so that it's easy. Your learning and your studying will be easier. Right. Okay, I guess ke make sibheke-ke istanza sokuqala esakhiwe imigqa emine. Let us look at the first stanza that is made up of 4 lines. Remember, umuqa is a line, imiqa are lines, right? Gio, that is umuqa number 1. Umuqa wesibili, Giozan majwele. Umuqa wesithathu, nijiyoze. Umuqa wesine, nilwela malungelo enu, right? Uma ngabe siqala-ke ngomugqa wokuqala, starting with the first line, imbongi isilalelisa umsindo. So she makes us listen to the sound that is similar to that of izilwane imbongi ekhuluma ngazo, which is izilwane ezinezimpaphe esingazibiza ezingena ngaphansi komndeni wezinyoni, that Gio. So loya Gio siwubiza ngokuthi yifuzamsindo, because at this point line number 1, we can't even see ukuthi who imbongi is actually talking to, right? Or the sound, which animal is it for? Until up until we read umuqa wesibili, which says Giozani. So the ni over there is telling us ukuthi imbongi is actually not speaking to one animal, but she is talking to a number of them, because ni means you all, right? And remember, when you are speaking directly to a person, the first vowel, when you address them by name, it falls away. Giozani majwele, all right? Which means the poet is directly talking to the chicks. Line number 3, and she is just emphasizing on what she wants Amajwele to do. She says, nijiyoze. So you must tweet and tweet and tweet. Continue tweeting. Line number 4, then she gives us a reason. A reason is isizathu. Usinikeza isizathu sokuthi why noma kungani efuna amajwele enze lo msindo atshiyoze. She is saying ni, talking to amajwele as a collective, nilwele. Ukulwa is to fight. Nilwele amalungelo. Amalungelo are the rights, and not just anyone's rights, but your rights, amalungelo enu. So isenzo sokulwa isenzo esivamise kubantu. Therefore we can say loya mugqa lowayana ungukwenza samuntu, right? So sesithola izifenqo ezimbili. We have identified 2 figures of speech kule sistanza esinemigqa nje emine nje kuphela, right? So imbongi ke iqala lesi stanza ngokusebenzisa ifuzamsindo. That's what she does. She starts the stanza or the poem by using ifuzamsindo, which is an ideophone, if I'm not mistaken, but I think that's what ifuzamsindo is called, ngesingisi. But if not, then please forgive me. So to ukwenanela in echo of umsindo, of the sound that is made by baby chickens. All right. Kulesi stanza ke imbongi ke is giving an order. Iyayalela. Umyalelo is an instruction. Yalela is to instruct. So she instructs amajwele, all right? And the mqondo fana for amajwele is yes, amachwane. And then she wants them ukuba enze umsindo, to make a noise. And this noise, she calls it ukuchiyoza. It is called ukuchiyoza, which is the tweeting, the chipping. So umsindo kojwayelekile lo. So this is, the usual sound that is made by the baby chickens. All right. Amajwele ke ayakhuthazwa ke. So but imbongi line number 3 is just encouraging. Khuthaza is to encourage. She is encouraging the chicks ukuthi awachiyoze and not stop. Angayeki. right? And she is using a phrase ethi nitshiyose, nitshiyose, ngoba there is a reason, kunesizathu. Okay, so there's a reason that she wants them to make the reason why she wants them to make this noise or this sound. So kumugqa wokugcina imbongi ifuna amantshwele alungise isimo. So the reason is she wants them to fix a particular situation. All right. So isimo is a situation, and the situation at hand here, it involves the chick's rights. Okay, amalungelo a lamachwane lawa alamantshwele. Right. Kusazwakala ngithi? Okay. So istanza sesibili sizoqala ngokufunda-ke njengoba sijwayele. We'll start by reading the stanza, and this time istanza sethu sakhiwe imigqa emihlanu. This is a 5-line stanza. Okay, so sifundeka kanje. It reads as follows. Kuku kuku ku. Mugqa number 5. Umugqa wesithupha uthi nansi insimbi seyinibiza. Umugqa 7, inibizele emadlelweni alihlaza. Mugqa 8, nakhu nephango selibhokile. Mugqa number 9, akukho ukuthokoza lapha, ijubane lodwa. Right. So kwenzakalani-ke kulesi stanza? What is happening, in the stanza? So imbongi yazisa amachwane is informing the amajwele, the chicks, ukuthi it is the times, isikhathi sesishayile, right? And it is time for making their move, or for making their action, ukwenza umnyakazo. Kumugqa number 5 siyezwa ukuthi kunanomsindo laphayana owenzakalayo, okumsindo waloko esikubona la okubizwa ngokuthi insimbi. Insimbi is a bell, right? So sibona-ke laphayana ifuzamsindo futhi, umsindo ofuze owento enkencezayo efana nensimbi. All right, so that is another ideophone, ifuzamsindo. Masiya kumugqa wesithupha ithi imbongi nansi insimbi, here is the bell calling you. Siyayazi insimbi ayikwazi ukukhuluma, ayikwazi ukunibiza ithi wozani la, it can't do that. Therefore loya mugqa ungukwenza samuntu, ngoba imbongi inikeza into engaphili izilungo zomuntu ophilayo. Therefore umugqa number 6 is ukwenza samuntu, a personification. Sesihluze-ke lesi stanza. Let us analyze istanza sesibili, right? So umsindo-ke wokukhala kwensimbi ku-line 5 othi kuku 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 kuku, nokuvama ukuba uphawu lokungena kwesikole, right? Because esikoleni izinto zenziwa ngesikhathi, things are done using isikhathi or following isikhathi. Uchaza ukuthi-ke it is now the time for amatshwele ukuthi to make a move, ukuthi akahambe-ke manje akanyakaza, akenze umnyakazo, to make some action. Umugqa number 6, amatshelwe-ke abizwa insimbi. So that is what imbongi is saying. She says, the baby chicks are called by a bell. All right. The bell is calling amachwele. Okungenzeka ukuthi lamachwele, if we had an opportunity to maybe analyze to an extent of like a deeper meaning of lenkondlo, we could even say izingane zesikole lana because of insimbi, and amachwele being izinkukhu ezincane, then we can say these are school kids. Okay. So then-ke ku-line number 7, imbongi-ke inikeza amatshwele isizathu. She gives these chicks a reason, okay, behind, or the meaning behind the ringing of the bell. All right. Ngokwembongi-ke le nsimbi-ke, according to the poet, when the bell rings, okay, it is actually ordering the chicks to make a move. Amachane to make a move aye endaweni engcono, and indawo engcono is emadlelweni aluhlaza, right? So she is calling them to emadlelweni aluhlaza, okay? That is endaweni engcono. So kubalekile ukuthi amatshwele aye kule ndawo abizelwa kuyo insimbi. So it is very important for the chicks to respect the order and to honor the order and go to this place where they are assigned to go ngoba kulanjiwe, right? Kulanjiwe means nephango libhongile, meaning there is hunger. In order to address the hunger, this thing of tweeting or the need for amatshwele to go to this place is very, very important. So kule ndawo ke, they are told, so imbongi ke is just quite frank and is clean ematshweleni, ikhuluma iqiniso, ithi ke kule ndawo ke which is a better place in a way, indawo eyamadlelo alihlaza, emadlelweni alihlaza, ayikho injabulo. And she uses amagama athi akukho ukuthokoza, there is no joy, all right? Kuphela nje kuyagijima. So people are just rushing, okay? People are going up and down and they are rushing. Kodwa ushintsho luvela ngokuya kule ndawo. But in order for a change to happen, amatshwele ought to go to this place. Konje yini igama lale ndawo? Emadlelweni aluhlaza. Kungani kufanele aye? Ngoba nephango libhokile, sekulambekile, there is hunger. All right, kusazwakala. So uma siqhubeka ke nenkondlo yethu, right, siya kwistanza sesithathu, sona sinemigqa emine, it has 4 lines. Imbongi ke still speaks to amatshwele, still orders amatshwele, iyawayalela amatshwele. Ithi tshiyozani matshwele, make some noise, little chickens. And then this time, as you make the noise, imbongi is ordering amatshwele in line number 11 ukuba abelethe, nibelethe kuwo umhlanekazi. Ukubeletha is to hop on, as we can see kwi-illustration, right? Okay, so just the best pictures that we're looking for, right? Nibelethe, ukubeletha is to go on or to climb on, to go on, hop on someone's back, right? But imbongi is ordering them to hop on umhlane. Umhlane is the back, but this umhlane is an extraordinary mhlane because it is massive, it is huge. Umhlanekazi. So she is exaggerating this back, all right? Lo mhlane lo. Therefore, lelia gama elithi umhlanenkazi singalibiza ngokuthi luyihaba, hyperbole. Kumugqa number 12, imbongi ithi nigiye, niqephuze. Right, noma singasabhalanga, ukugiya is what you see here. It's an action that is done by abantu, right? Isenzo senziwa abantu uma bejabule, all right? Or uma besenamandla okwenza njalo. Ukugiya, ukusina, ukugiya, ukudansa kwesintu, right? Okay. So uthi nigiye niqephuze, niqephuziswe injabulo yokushisa kwegazi, right? Meaning imbongi ifuna ke bagiye badanse because they still can, and two, to ukhombisa injabulo, to indicate their joy or their excitement of ukuba negazi elisashisa, meaning ukuba young, ukuba bancane. Imbongi ke iyayalela kulesi stanza, is giving an order. Remember, umyalelo is an instruction. Iyalela amatshwele ngalokho afuna kwenze. Instruct the chicks on what she wants them to do. So she wants them ukuthi abelethe emhlane. Right, let us go to the next slide so we can see the analysis. Right. So ukuhluza kwestanza sesithathu, amatshwele ayakhuthazwa. Leli gama is very important. Ukukhuthaza is to encourage, okay? Ayakhuthaza, they are encouraged ukuba aqhubeke, not to stop the noise, not to stop tweeting, all right? Umsindo wokuchiyoza. Njengamanje, uma echiyoza, and right now, as they tweet, Imbongi wants them to hop on to Emhlanekazi, to ibhek enkulu. Mhlane is the back, to the massive back, and leliya gama elithi Emhlanekazi uhlobo lwesifenqo esilibiza ngokuthi ihaba. Ngokuvamile kaMachwane ayabelethe emhlane wesikhukhukazi. Isikhukhukazi is the mother hen, as you can see. It is very common. It's something that is common that, you know, sometimes you see Amachwane or Amachwele, you know, on their mom's back, on the hen's back. Right. So Imbongi ifuna lamachwane ke akwazi ukuba sendaweni ephephile. So the reason why she wants them to hop on to this massive bag is because she wants amachwele to be endaweni ephephile. Indawo ephephile is the safe place. All right. And the highest place in this case, because mangabe begibela phezu komhlane wesikhukhukazi, then they are higher and they can see ahead. So other than safety, they can also see ahead. They can see what is approaching. Right. So imbongi-ke ukuze akwazi kangcono futhi abonakale, so that they can also be seen. All right. Lamachwane-ke lamachwele imbongi ifuna dance. She wants them to dance. All right. She wants them to rejoice, in other words. And she uses amagama nigiye niqephuze, right? Ukujabulela ukuthola ithuba lokuba semhlane, right? So just to show you know, their excitement on getting an opportunity to be at the higher position emhlane, because you can see ukuthi umhlane is indawo that is higher, right? Ithi-ke azojatshuliswa ukuba nomdlandla. They will be excited because they still have the energy. Okay, umdlandla ukushisa kwegazi. All right, hence vele asemancane amachwane. So isikhukhukazi-ke inkukhu le oyibonayo, inkukhu yesifazane, and these are amachwane going jiyo. Sesiqhubekela-ke esitanzeni sesine. Right, okay. Istanza sesine. Imbongi ikhuluma ngozamcolo. Right, kustanza sesine naso sinemigqa 2, 4, 5. It's a 5 stanza poem. Imbongi ithi uzamcolo nesichotho sekufikile. Balekani ningabe nisajeqeza. Ukujeqeza kusho ukufa. Chiyozani matshwele kuze kwenanele nathi uqobo. Right. So i-order-ke iyaqhubeka, right? But now there's a warning. What is a warning ngesizulu? Umuqa number 14 is isexwayiso, right? And also 15 nawo isexwayiso to 16 also is isexwayiso, is a warning. All right. Imbongi is warning amachwele about ingozi that is upcoming. And she says, uzamcolo. Uzamcolo imvula enkulu, which is izikhukhula, right? The floods. Umqondo ofana wegama elithi uzamcolo would be izikhukhula. Nesichotho futhi, isichotho is hail. Sekufikile. Ukufika means it has come or it has arrived. Balekani. So in order for amachwele to be safe, they need to baleka, to run away, all right? To run for their lives. And then when they run for their lives, sibona ngamagama athi ningabe nisajeqeza. So you must continue running and focus on ukugijima noma ukubaleka, because line number 16, if you look back, don't look back ungabe usajeqeza. Ukujeqeza kusho ukufa. So if you look back, then it means death. It means you will die. Then, but line number 17, Imbongi does not want amachwele to stop chiyozaring. So she says, continue to chiyoza, continue making noise even when you run away. And then line number 18, she says, kuze kwenanele nathi uqobo. So you must continue making this noise until we also tag along, all right? And the noise, and make the noise with you. Amajele kayexwayisa, there is the word that I was talking about, isexwayiso, which is a warning. Ngengozi, ingozi is the danger. I-danger siyithola phi noma ingozi line number 14. The danger, it comes with uzamcolo, which is istorm esihamba nemanzi amaningi, which is izimvula, izikhukhula, nesichotho, and the hail have arrived. Nokungachaza ukuthi izinkinga seziqalile. If we were to go deeper, it could mean that the problems have started. So therefore you just need to run so that you don't end up in trouble or in danger. Ayakhuthazwa-ke ukuba baleke. So amachwane, amajwele are encouraged to run away, angabheke emuva and not to look back, and imbongi uses amagama ningabe nisajeqeza. Ayexwayisa-ke nangomthelela, so they are warned about umthelela. Remember leli gama libalulekile, right? Ukuthi uma kunokwenzeka ebheke emuva, wokubheka emuva, right? Ukuthi mebheke emuva azokufa. Imbongi iyawakhuthaza amajwele ukuthi-ke noma ebaleka, even if they when they're running, they need not stop to jiyoza. All right. So iyachaza ukuthi-ke lo msindo ezoloke wenza uzoze ugcine wenze nokuthi nabo bangenelele as abantu asebakhulile, as abantu abadala. So the word nathi uqobo, it means us as well as older people. Istanza-ke sesihlanu imbongi, which I think is stanza sokugcina lesi, sinemigqa 2, 4, 6, 7, sinemigqa esikhombisa. Imbongi ithi-ke zishuthekeni nizifihle ngaphansi kwalawo maphikokazi anothando nemfudumalo. Khoselani nithokomale kuze kuthokomale nathi uqobo lapho senigobe izinkophe nikhophozelele ubumnyama. Right. So imbongi-ke isebenzisa okumugqa we-18 ithi zishuthekeni nizifihle. Ukushutheka, it means, to squeeze yourself in, all right? And then nizifihle, ukuzifihla, it means to hide yourself, right? Ithi ngaphansi kwalawo maphikokazi, under those, amaphiko are the wings, and amaphikokazi, they are the huge, massive wings. Remember ukuthi na kwistanza esidlule imbongi ikhulume ngomhlanekazi. Now isikhuluma ngamaphikokazi. So amaphikokazi yihaba, because imbongi is exaggerating the size of the wings that she wants the chicks to hide under. Umugqa number 21, she's describing the type of amaphikokazi, the type of wings that she wants the chicks to go under. She says amaphikokazi anothando, that are full of love, nemfudumalo, and also full of warmth. And then line 22, she says khoselani. Ukhosela is to shelter yourself, right? Khoselani, shelter yourselves, nithokomale, and get warm, all right? And keep warm and comfortable, nithokomale. Kuze kuthokomale nathi uqobo. So just be comfortable until we also feel comfortable that you are comfortable. Lapho senigobe izinkophe. So we will feel comfortable once we see you ukugoba izinkophe. Izinkophe are the lashes, okay? So mangabe zigobile kusho ukuthi they close, all right? So le sisimo senkulumo sichaza ukulala. And then she wants them to sleep ngoba masebelele basuke bekhophozelele ubumnyama, meaning ukulala, shying away from the darkness. So amajele-ke are ordered, ayayalelwa indlela ezowenza phephe kuzona zonke ingozi, right? So they're being told of a way that will help keep them safe from any form of danger, all right? So if they thusa themselves, zithukuseni khoselani, all right? And then bese siya kuhluza-ke lesi stanza sesihlanu esizosihluza over ama-slides amabili. Amajwele-ke are ordered, so it's going to sound like a repetition, okay? They are ordered ukuba zigcine endaweni to stay in a safe place as thukuse, okay? Zishuthekeni, just squeeze yourself in. Ayalelwa nendawa ephephile. They are told which place is safer, and that place is under the massive wings, ngaphansi kwamaphikokazi, which is an exaggeration, a hyperbole. Amajwele ayakhunjuzwa-ke. They are also reminded ukuthi lendawo, these wings, they are full of love, anothando, anemfudumalo. Imbongi yawakhuthaza ukuba athole umpheme. She also encourages them to find a shelter because she uses igama elithi khoselani aphinde anethezeke so that they can be comfortable. Nethezeka means to thokomala or to be comfortable. So ukuthokomala-ke kwamatshwele, so when the chicks are comfortable, kuba nomthelela. There's a positive effect or impact eyenzekalayo because ngisho kubantu abadala, even older people, you know, they become comfortable, all right? They become relaxed. They are not on the edge because they know ukuthi amajwele are safe. Abadala-ke nabo bathola ukuthokomala uma amajwele selala. So the older people, you know, they also find peace and they find comfort knowing that the chicks are now sleeping. And then ukugoba izinkopho, it means to sleep, uphawu lokushalazela lokushalazela noma ekuthiwa khophozela ubumnyama, right? So it's a phrase esetshenziswayo to say, you know, the chicks must go to sleep. This is one of them. Ukugoba izinkopho means ukulala, to sleep, as you can see on this illustration. Right. So imbuzo-ke evamile ngenkondlo, lenkondlo ke uhlobo luni. By now sesiyazi hlobo luni means what type and why do we say that. Lenkondlo ngoba iveza imizwa yembongi sibiza ngokuthi i-lyric, ngoba iveza imizwa iveza imizwa yayo ngesimo esibonayo about the situation at hand esithinta abantu abasebancane, and she uses igama amajwele. So inkondlo nenkondlo kiba nendikimba. There is indikimba, ukuphokophelela, which is eagerness, ngoba imbongi ikhuthaza amajwele okungenzeka ukuba ikhuluma nabantu abasebancane, the young people, the youth, noma abantu abasha, all right? But we don't know because it doesn't say it's people, but it says amajwele. And then she is encouraging them ukuba bangathuli, not to keep quiet, to voice out their opinions, kodwa bakhulume ukuze bazwakale, so that they can be heard, bagcine sebephumelele empilweni and end up, you know, successful in life, and then they can be at peace knowing that they are safe, all right? So makuthiwa-ke chaza umoya wenkondlo, umoya is the mood, is the tone. Lenkondlo-ke iveza imoya-ke oxubile. Remember-ke, we can't say umoya oxubile and just leave it there. You have to support and just state umoya individually. Kukhona umoya wokukhuthaza, encouragement, nokwexwayisa, of warning. So you can go to those stanzas and then find amagama to support ukukhuthaza, encouragement, and ukwexwayisa, which is warning. Imbongi ikhuthaza abantu abasha or amajwele in this context, ebabiza ngamajwele ukuthi bakwazi ukuzimela, to stand for themselves. Futhi ibaxwayisa, and she warns them ukuba baqaphele, to be always careful and alert and cautious, because there are things ezingaba that could be of danger to them out there. Bafunda ukushesha benza izinto, and they must learn to be fast when they do things empilweni nje in general, right? Not to procrastinate, in other words. So they must act swiftly on what they think is right. So umyalezo-ke walenkondlo noma isifundo esisitholayo ngesokuthi kuhle abantu abasebancane bangayeki ukukhuluma, that it's always a good thing for young people not to stop talking. So now when we grew up, kwakunzima ungamphendula umuntu omdala, we were not allowed to voice our opinions. But this generation that we have is a very lucky generation because they can, you know, share how they feel with us as abantu abadala, and it is okay. And we also encourage that they speak up so that we can address issues, sizolungisa izinkinga kusenesikhathi. So imbongi ithi ke abakhulume ngezinto eziphazamisa amalungelo abo, meaning they need to speak up about the things affecting their rights, and also in the process mabexwa izinto eziyingozi, they need to be mindful of things that are of danger to them. And then bazi ukuthi abantu abadala abangabazali babo bayohlezi bengumpheme wabo, and they need to know that the older people will always be their shelter, as well as you can see them sheltering under the biggest wings, imbongi that is referring to Amaphikos Khukhukazi. Okay, ngithemba ukuthi kuzwakeleke. Uma ngabe ufuna imibuzo ke emncane, imibuzo e-contextual, zitholele-ke yakho incwadi ethi Izinsiza Zembhalo, i-4th edition yakho. Ungatshela nabafowenu nodadewenu nabangani bakho abasenza ibanga le-11 grade 11, nabo bazitholele, ngoba zikhona zonke izindaba ezihluziwe laphayana. Izinkondlo zosishiyagalombili, you will find them there beautifully analyzed with questions, with activities to do. And under izindaba ezimfishane zikhona all 4 of them. Umdlalo Icala Kaliboni nawo is simplified with activities, and Elokufa Ntsheli, which is the 2026 book. All right. So sinifisela okuhle-ke, siyazi ukuthi ama-exams are just around the corner, so we would like to take this opportunity and wish you all the best. And if you want a copy, you can visit our website on www.kabekwamumbo.co.za, or you can email us on publications@kabekwamumbo.co.za. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and also like, so that Nati, we can be encouraged to give you more and more and more resources. And I know that you are matriculating, but the people that are coming after you, now they need to benefit from these resources. So in order for us to get your encouragement, please just like our page and also subscribe. Siyabonga ke, sinifisela okuhle kodwa.